Let's say you want to create your own 3D character using Blender or Maya. That can be very time taking and there's a very big learning curve. Also, Mixamo.com has some 3D models, but they are predefined from before. So you can use a software called Mixamo Fuse. In Mixamo Fuse, you have lots of different customization options which you can use and can have a 3D model the way you want to. So the download link is in the description. So let's say you click on this head. So this can be your starting point to create a 3D character or to customize a 3D character. So as you can see, I can change the certain areas of the character according to my requirements. So let's say you're happy with this. So now you can let's say you want to select this particular torso. Similarly, you can select the other parts of the bodies. Next, you can go to the clothing section, and Mixamo Fuse provides you with lots of different options. Also, these textures can be changed to different colors. So let's say I select this t-shirt, and if I go to the texture and I click on this particular object, you can see that it has different options. So if you want to change the color of this, you can definitely do that as well. So currently the color is set to a purple kind of color. If you want, you can change it to green or whatever color you would like to. Now if you're happy with it, you can go back to the clothing section and select the bottoms. Similarly, just like the tops, you can customize the bottoms as well. Now let's say you're happy with this particular character and you want to export this as a OBJ file. So you will go to File, Export, and export the model as OBJ. Now you can select on the Pack Textures and UVs options over here, and you can select the texture size. Generally 2048 is a good number. And you can click on the OK button. Now you can select any location on your PC in order to save the file. Now Mixamo Fuse will export all the textures as well as the models. Now you will see that you have your OBJ file over here and all the textures packed correctly. Now these can be used at many different locations, like in Unity Game Engine, Unreal Game Engine, or if you want to use it in Blender, you can do it as well. Now let's say you want to animate this character, but currently this character is not rigged. And rigging can be time-taking process, and you need to have an idea about Blender or Maya or those types of 3D designing software. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do rigging without having knowledge of those softwares, and it will help you save a lot of time. And then we're going to animate this character.